Hello, welcome back to Sedney's Skill Garage. In today's video, we'll see how to apply a two-component clear coat from SSG products. The format I'm presenting is the single dose kit available for purchase with the reference number SSG2KGUNI, designed for the casual model whose clear coating is modeled. For this demonstration, I will be clear coating this 1/24th scale Peugeot 306 Maxi from Nunu. It's very important to use respiratory protection when handling these products, as they can be harmful for your health. I highly recommend using a full face filter mask to avoid eye irritation. These filters should be suitable for organic vapors. Additionally, using a proper extraction booth is also highly recommended. The first step is cleaning and dusting the surface of the body. This helps minimize the risk of trapping dust particles in the clear coat. Using an anti-static brush from various modeling brands is an added plus. I recommend applying a first coat of clear. This is simply to create a texture of the body that will help following layers to adhere. It's important not to forget to apply the product in hard to reach or commonly overlooked areas, such as inside the wheel wells or the lower parts of the body. This way, we can prevent possible chipping later on. Additionally, we must carefully check for any speck of dust sticking to the surface while applying clear coat. If we find any, we can remove it with tweezers without any issue. At this stage, we still have time to correct it. After about 10 minutes, we applied the second coat. This one will be slightly heavier than the first one, ensuring good coverage over the entire body. If we notice any speck of dust at this stage, we can carefully remove it, but doing so will require extra work after the clear coat has dried, as it will leave a mark. At this point, the body will look glossy, but will have a lot of orange peel. This is normal and will be corrected in the next coat. The third and final coat, applied after another 10-minute wait, is the uniformity coat. This layer will smooth out the clear coated surface and eliminate any orange peel left from the previous step. We need to carefully ensure that no part of the body has too little clear coat or too many imperfections. At this stage, I do not recommend trying to remove any speck of dust it may appear, as it won't do any good. We should leave it until the clear coat dries. There's a very fine line between a proper clear coat application and applying too much of it, so we need to control it carefully. followed all the steps correctly, we will achieve a completely smooth surface that can either be left as is or proceed with the polishing steps to give it an even more realistic finish. But that will be for another video. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.